installed. Here's our two 8-foot pieces of 3-inch underneath the gasket. Now, there's plenty there. You'll have to trim it to fit your needs. Same with the sweeps can be trimmed down. And here's the piece up top that goes around the latches. Now, obviously, this can be cut back. It's extra large to fit different applications. If it's a wagon, you're gonna need a little more room for that piece. Your magnet strips are installed here. To get into the van, you just separate it there, pull it off, go right in, and it all closes automatic behind you. All right, so that's really all there is to it. Here's your bottom magnet strip on your sweep. Closes there. That magnet strip mates to that one. It's encapsulated with the 2-inch on both sides. And it's a nice clean seal. Easy in, easy out. Very easy to remove. And very easy to get in. Closes automatically.